Okay, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a website here on the Builderall platform. Okay, and as I mentioned on the introduction video, we have here several builders that you can use to create your own website. But the new one that we have, and I recommend, is the Cheetah drag and drop website builder because it's very easy to use. It's responsive to all the devices because on other site builder you have to keep in mind that you have to be responsive. Okay, so if a client or a user or a visitor sees your website through a tablet or a phone or any type of device, let's say a very specific device, it will automatically be responsive into that website. So it will rearrange your website to look nice on several devices. Okay, so we're gonna start this tutorial by creating here a very quick website. So we're gonna go here and click on enter, so we can go into my app. Okay, here I have created several other pages as well, but I'm gonna create a new one. So I can create a new one, a new site from scratch. And for this, I'm just gonna create a pizza. It will be a pizza website for a local business, okay, for pizza. So my title will be pizza delivery, okay. The description will be the same, okay. The description and the title I can change it later on, but for start and for testing and for this example, I'm just gonna create this one. And I'm gonna choose a blank template because I want to create this website from scratch, okay. After doing this, it will automatically place that new website into the unpublished category. Okay, this means that the website is not yet published because it's not ready, but we can publish it later on, and we can go to edit website, edit site. Okay, after clicking edit site, you have the pages that contain this website. Okay, if you have a website, inside this website, it contains all other pages that you can create inside. So for this, I have my home page. I can also create a contact us page or something like that. I can go into a title and put contact us. The description will be contact us, and anything else I don't need to add. Okay. I can also create a privacy policy. Okay, I can also create a privacy policy, a terms of use, and all of this. But for this example, I'm just going to create a home so I can show you what are the basics from this website builder. So we're gonna go on the home page and just click on edit. Okay, this page will be entirely blank because I don't have anything created yet, and I need to always add a panel. If I want to use a blank panel, I just go here on the right side of the menu and click on that, and just go to panels. Okay, and you have here this blank panel. The blank panel is just a panel if you want to create your own website from scratch and you don't want to use the pre-made panels that we already have here on the platform. So you can see if you click on the first fold, this is the first panel that is always and almost mostly on other websites as well. If you are creating a sales funnel, you can see the sales funnel always contains a video and a few buttons to take and redirect your clients. You can see all the other first funnel pages as well. Okay, but I'm gonna find and try to look one for a pixel. So you can see that here's a Pixeria Express that I can choose, and I just need to click on it. So it will automatically place my panel into here. Okay, so it will put the panel, the images, the bottom, and the text automatically here. But I just need to wait a bit until this is placed on this where it says a panel for start. Okay, you can see that was added already, but I can just keep scrolling down and try to find another one like this. Okay, so let's just keep scrolling down, and we could go to business banners. Okay, business banners are basically the same as the first fold. Okay, but you have several features here: restaurant banners, You have just scroll all the way up. Okay, so if you go to business banner, you have here like a cooking banner, a bakery banner. Let's try to find a pizzeria. You have like the tourism. If you want to capture or create a website for tourism, you can have also this type of banner over here. Let's try to find if we have another for pizzeria. There's a bar banner, coffee banner. You have several banners here. They can put over here. Mostly food and coach. There's a lot of banners over here that you can see that you can use freely. It doesn't have or doesn't cost anything. Okay, so let's just go to blogs and try to see if I found anything else that I could be using for my first banner. Okay, you can see that we have contract banners, content banners, feature, footer, funnel, header, opt-in banners, pricing table, themes, testimonial, or tourist guide. So for this example, I'm just gonna use this pizzeria banner or panel. Okay, I'm just gonna use this panel. And for the second one, I can use like a content. So I can go here, my content, which is the first one will be my first panel and the content that I can use to include several messages. Okay, so I can use like this one, or let's find something else similar to a website. So I can use this express statistics. So I can show statistics to my clients that this is the amount of clients that we have received, the amount of feedback that we have received. And you can also put like a testimonial type of panel that is also already created. So you can show that the users already have feedback about your website. Okay, just click on the panel and just wait a bit until this is shown over here. Okay, so you can see that the statistics were already added over here in this panel. Okay, so I can go ahead and try to find like a testimonial. So we can go all the way down here and try to find the testimonial, which is actually the feedback from the clients. Okay. Okay, so let's try to find something that it will be similar to a testimonial on a website. So let's choose this one, or client say. Just click on it, and it should be automatically added into this first panel. Okay. Okay, so I just added here the testimonials that you can also edit, like testimonials, people sharing their feedback and everything else. Okay, so you can also put here like an email marketing form or something like that to make offers, to promotions, so you can capture the clients or the visitors' emails. This is the main reason you want to create a website. So you can track their emails, so you can send information, send email sequences, you can send their offers, so you can purchase your products or the products of the local business, so you can start earning money. Okay. So the next step, you can also create like a pricing panel. Okay, so you can go to panels and go to pricing table. So you can show them the prices of your current of your current picture. Okay, which I'm gonna use this one. Okay, for this example. In order to move your panels, you can also go into a panel this way until this panel is added up into my website. But you can go into a panel and change the order of the panel. So I'm gonna show you how to do it just right now. Okay, so after adding the price panel, you can change here the details. You can to change a text, you can just double click a text. That if you want to change this or the size of the text, you can also change how you want to display it on the middle, on the right. You can also change the bold. You have here several features that can also put it over here. If you created like a text on Word, you can also click over here so you can paste like a paragraph from Word. Okay, if you already created a Word. The last thing for this website, I think it will be to add a footer. A footer is just basically like adding a footer. Is just like adding the end page that will contain the several features. So I'm just gonna add this footer. Okay. And for this also, I want to like create a menu so people can navigate to my website. Okay. So I can just go into all the way up here. Okay. So I can add an element that it will be a menu. Okay. So just wait until the last banner is also added into my website. Okay, so after adding the footer, you can see that I already just added the footer with the politics, the contact us, and the newsletter if you want to like create a newsletter, or you can also create a contact us page. Okay, I'm gonna erase this and I'm gonna add a contact form. Okay, so they can just leave a comment and I will receive it in my email. Okay, just gonna erase that one and I'm gonna go into add. Okay, okay, so I'm gonna add here an element. And I'm gonna add the menu that I was talking about before. So I can add here a menu. So I'm just gonna simply click on menu and I have here the menu items or elements. So I'm just gonna click on it and drag into where I want to put it. So I want to put it over here and just release the click and it should automatically add the menu section here. Okay, so after adding my menu, I can start working with my menu. So I can go to here, config items, I can click over there so I can manage to change here my settings. Let's say that I want to confirm my menu 4, so I can put it on my footer. Okay, so the footer will be like contact us. So I want to change the menu 4. So I'm gonna click over here in edit element. I'm gonna erase the submenu that is already added when I create. So I'm gonna add over here contact us. Okay, and just click on save. So you will see that I already have my label here, contact us. The next step is by going to set link. Okay, so I'm gonna put here if I want to take them to another page external from this website or the same website. I can choose here the contact us page or the same home page. Builderall auto tags that we could talk about this later on another video. The pop-up that we already have a video about how to create pop-ups, anchors, video, download if you want them to file, super checkout product if you already have a super checkout product, if you want to make a call, all site members if you want to create a restricted area. Okay, so for this example, I'm gonna add over here, all the way down here. This is my panel, so I'm gonna click on my panel and make sure that I'm adding in these elements. So I'm gonna click on this little pencil. After that, I'm gonna go all the way down here and go to advanced, then activate the anchor. Okay, the anchor for me will be contact us. Okay, so if I loop this anchor into my bottom, I will see this anchor called contact us. So I'm gonna go up here and click on config item because I want to take them all the way down into my contact banner. Okay, for the contact us. So I'm gonna set the link and set to anchor and choose the contact us anchor and just click on save and save. Okay, now we can save and publish this website. Okay, if you want to see how this website is looking, so it's gonna ask you if you want to publish this website. Since I just finished it, I can just click on that's fine, and it will be automatically created an URL that can also share to my partners or my client if I'm currently working with a client, so he can see the actual website that I'm building for him. So you can see this is the actual website. Okay, this is the actual how it actually looks. But let's say that for some reason someone wants to contact us. So if he clicks over here, you will see he will automatically be taken to down here. I can go to my editor, okay? Go all the way down here and increase the size of this panel. Let's change the size just a little bit, just like this. So I can drop all the way down here these elements and add a contact us form. So I'm gonna add here element and add a contact form. The difference between contact form and the email marketing form is that the contact form is just to only contact you if they have any concern. Okay, the email marketing form is to collect emails and name so you can send them offers. So this is the main difference between them. So since this is a contact us page, or a contact us panel, I'm gonna add here contact us, a contact us. So I'm gonna choose this one. So I'm just gonna drag and drop it. Okay, so after adding the contact form, this is the contact form. So I can configure my contact form so they can just leave a message over here and I can receive it via email. Okay, so basically I'm just gonna go over here to set fields and just gonna click and put my email over here. So for this example, I'm just gonna put contact marketing design. Okay, just click on save. If you want to send a message that the message sends successfully, I'm just gonna click message sent. Okay, and just click on save. So you can see that you already have here a contact form over here. You have the prices, you have the feedback or the testimonials. You have here the statistics, and you have here your main website. You can also include many other features that you have here. If you go to elements, you can add additional text, animated elements like videos, or animated like this one, which is animated animated numbers. You can go to boxes if you want to add a box. Okay, many things here. Buttons, contact form, email marketing form, a gallery of images, iframe, images, lines, menu, timers. If you want to set a timer here for an incoming event or an incoming offer, you can also add video from YouTube, Vimeo, Wistia, or if you are hosting a webinar, you can also add a webinar here. Okay, just click on save, and just that's fine. And we can go to the actual website that I just created. Okay, you can see that it is automatically created. Keep in mind that if you want to like have a more personalized URL, you have to purchase a domain. So you can see that you can purchase domain here. You just click over here and buy another domain, and just buy my domain at Builderall. You can purchase your own domain, which is it will be replaced all this. Okay, it will be .com. Okay, the name you want to put on your business.com. And or if you already have a domain, you can set here and make sure that you need to change the name servers, okay, to these two name servers, and you can put here your domain and click on existing domain that you already purchased on another platform. Okay, and just click on close. It will be automatically publish it on your domain with your website already created.